YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. It has been a crazy day today, guys. We're gonna start going live a lot more, though. Maybe we'll go live today. If this video can get enough likes. But we're gonna talk about some Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about some Toshi. We're gonna talk about it all today, guys. But before we do that, I always gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. Don't buy anything you ever see in these videos, guys. We're just talking about the market. But as you guys can see, Bitcoin looking very volatile today, coming in at 105. Are we going to start seeing Bitcoin start to drop into the weekend? This is what we see a lot. Been a lot of civil unrest, right? Just yesterday, they had this No King's Day or whatever. And as you guys can see, market not doing good. Talks about wars. I don't know if the U.S. is getting involved. I don't know if we're not getting involved. I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm not even going to speculate too much on it because I really don't know. But as you guys can see, Bitcoin is starting to see some of the grunt of this uncertainty in the market. Bitcoin now dropping below 105, right? Creating this again, shoulder, head, shoulder, which is what we talked about. I said we got to be careful if we start trending sideways here. We're going to have a shoulder, head, shoulder. Look, we have one right here, a shoulder, head, shoulder. And look, we have a shoulder, head, shoulder. We have two forming here. It's not looking good for Bitcoin. Really needs to see a bounce off of some of this support down here if it's going to hold. It doesn't look good though right now. Again, the market's looking absolutely cooked after all of this news in the world that we're seeing right now, right? Just so crazy how this happens when we're at the top, right? Just like right here, right? We create this double top. Are we creating another double top? Is this mark the end of the cycle? Is it over here? I do not personally still think that it is over. Again, we have not seen a blow off top on Bitcoin, so I'm assuming this is just some volatility. It happens. Bitcoin is volatile. We know that this space is smaller than most Fortune 500, not most Fortune 500 companies, but there are Fortune 500 companies that are definitely bigger than Bitcoin. So again, it's going to be volatile, but I'm patient, right? We could see that we're starting to drop into this fear state, which again is what we kind of talked about, and this thing looking like it wants to correct down. And interesting. Very interesting. This looks like it wants to see some correction. But I don't know. I can always be wrong. I don't know the future, so just kind of speculating on that. But you guys can see every time we've, created this McDonald's I told you guys that it's resulted in some sell-off. Now, did I know that a war was going to break out? I did not know that. But again, isn't it just kind of weird how all these things kind of happen when we're at like some key level of resistance, and now all of a sudden the market is looking like crap, right? Are we going to start breaking down again? This McDonald's M right here is not looking very good. A lot of people saying today in this bearish market, talking about how bearish the market is, right? Interesting. I do think that we might see a little bit. Michael Saylor said the dots are getting bigger. Means that people are buying it up. A lot of big institutions buying in the zone. I do think that this is a zone that these institutions buy in, but I do think again that we might see a retest all the way down to like 100K. I mean, it's crazy right now what's going on in Israel and with Iran and everything. It's just totally crazy. So again, I would not rule it out as a possibility that the market needs to see more of a correction. Now, we're seeing some coins actually pumping right now, right? Look at Solana up like 4%, but can these gains like hold? Because I don't know. Look at Solana just out of nowhere pumping. Ethereum barely moving. Some of this market barely moving. Other of these coins moving pretty good, right? Interesting. Solana though up like 6%. I don't understand it. These boys thinking that there's some kind of meme coin cycle coming or what? I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys bullish on the market? You guys think there's going to be a moving point cycle, or do you guys think that things are getting volatile, it's getting crazy? As you guys can see, Toshi Coin coming in at 209 million, still on an uptrend on the yearly, still holding. This guy's saying we about to slingshot 10 hours ago. I don't know. It's possible. It's always possible. But at the same time, we got to be careful. Again, this market looking highly speculative, right? Toshi Coin starting to break down a little bit. Did create a rising wedge here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, drop down. Right now, look, shoulder, head, shoulder, just like Bitcoin. Just got to be careful on some of these smaller indicators. They're pointing to the fact that our market might see some correction, which, again, there's a war. So this is kind of, what happens. People losing confidence in the markets and stuff like that. But again, Toshi Coin still creating higher lows on the yearly. It's looking pretty good on the yearly. And again, on the all-time as well. Looking like we're starting to round out this pattern. I always say that a good retracement needs to look a little bit round, right? And it does look like we're starting to round out this trend. So again, if we can continue to keep it moving, then like homie said right here, we can possibly send, right? Looking at, again, more of a rounder recovery, which is what I would like to see. If we can get above this all-time high that we were at, again, this thing could really send. Even if we can get back above like 400, but again, is that possible with the state of the market right now? Guys, I do expect that the markets are going to see some more sell-off, is my just prediction. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not telling you go out and short the market. As a matter of fact, don't make any financial decisions based off of what I'm saying. I'm just letting you know that the possibility is that we do see some more sell-off in the market based off of the news. But what do I know, man? Again, I do not have a crystal ball. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button. I'll catch you next video. Peace.